Hi ladies and gents, how are you? I'm just here to open, this is what I got for the Jeffree Star's latest launch, his latest, newest eyeshadow. Yeah, it's an autumn inspired one and it's called Pricked. And so got this from an Australian store, and let's dig into it. So I love orange, so I was so excited. There's something else that I'm still waiting for. It's a mascara from Jeffree Star, but for some reason, I don't know, I have to wait longer for it. But they did ship the lipstick and the eyeshadow. So let's start with the eyeshadow, the lip gloss. So this is Supreme Glass, and I didn't get the full-on orange. Even though I like orange, I don't think I like full-on orange on my lips. And I'm not filming myself because I'm not looking too good. Oh, so this is the colour. I don't know, I don't really care how I look. I'm just gonna film myself putting it on. I don't care. Look like shit or not. At least you can't smell how bad I smell. Oh, I like the application. Looks a bit wonky. You see it? I don't know if it's me. It looks like a flower petal or some opening of a woman's genitalia. Yeah, I've got a sick mind. Yeah, but this looks demented. Like, usually it's, yeah, it looks a bit off. Yeah, so I wanted to get, I'm not the type of girl that likes full-on red lipsticks. I like more of the nude natural. And I remember seeing this colour thing. Yep. Yeah, that's good. That's something you can wear every day. And it's got a nice smell to it. Like, his products really smell nice. Okay. I like it. Let's get back to not showing my face. There we go. Yeah, great packaging. The little star logos, alright. And it feels good. It doesn't feel real sticky. Supreme Gloss, okay. So this is, how adorable is this eyeshadow palette? Prickled Artistry palette. It's a little bag, like, look, it's even got like faux leather straps. Knowing Jeffree Star, it's probably real leather, but I doubt it. Oh my god, it looks like it just come off a Louis Vuitton bag. And look at that, it's even got gold. It's not cheap. This, look. So let's just start by taking this off. Hold on. We're gonna do this. It opens up. Okay. I've opened a few of his palettes, so I know. It's gonna be hard to open this without wrecking it. Hold on, I've got a letter opener or something sharp, and what you do is you put it in here see what I'm doing? It's so easily to rip this. Oh, okay, well you can do it that way, okay. Put it in through here and just pull it out. So it opens like that. Okay, oh my gosh. Alright. Look at it. This is fantastic. So it's pricked with the wire. Wow. This beautiful orange with like this beautiful burgundy. It looks so pretty. Look at it. And the back. So here it's got this closure, and I'm a crafter and I used to use similar closures in my little boxes years ago, before we got onto this journal craze, when we used to actually make other things besides journals, like little boxes and put little latches on and so forth. Okay, let's open it together. Ta-da! Okay, take this off. Oh my gosh, I think I nearly died when I first saw Jeffree introduce this, because I love oranges. Love orange. So look at this beautiful quality mirror. And these are all his beautiful oh my gosh. So the first one is called Pale in Comparison, Fashion Haul, Silver of Sanity. Beautiful. I'm definitely liking the Fashion Haul one. Cutting Edge. Cutting Edge. Vitamin C word. Unpilled Pleasure. Pulp Addiction. Oh, that's lovely. Mysterious Circumstances. Papaya Latex. Oh wow, look at these colours. If I had a clean face, I'll try them on, but I don't want to actually put eyeshadow on my face when I'm looking so wretched. Like, literally haven't showered in days and just feel wretched. Surprised I haven't showed my ugly mug. Twisted Taste. Thorny. What's that one? Forged. Oh, Double Crossed. Oh wow, this is my kid's star sign, and we're going into the month soon. Scorpio, and he's a Scorpio. His birthday's, oh I forget, I think it's the 15th of November, 18th of November. These are beautiful. These are lovely gold, unblunted. Oh wow. Glimmer of Hope, Slice Me Open, and Deadly Intentions. Wow. So what I'm loving about orange, this orange palette, is how he's mixed it with the burgundies and the golds and browns. And that is perfect autumn. Beautiful. Really like it. I would have liked to have seen a couple of more reds, like a more burgundy type of colour as opposed to brown, because there are like a few, like the browns, you know, your rusties, yellows, that's cool, but maybe this one here might be a bit of a, yeah, when you put it on you can see it is burgundy, like a burgundy. Wow. I don't know. I think I might play with this. Hold on. Let me see if there is a, hold on, a brush down here that I can quickly use. I don't care. So what if I've got so many eyeshadow palettes that I don't play with because I'm like, they're so nice, I don't want to use them because I'm going to wreck them. It's like, well, who gives a shit? I bought it, might as well use it. Even on my ugly mug. Unshowered. No concealer. Because usually you're supposed to like put like a base, like concealer or some shit, but okay, how am I gonna do this? Okay. So what I'll do is I'll film myself like that. Or maybe I'll do it with a phone. That way you can actually see what I'm doing, maybe. And use that as a mirror. But everything's backwards. It's real weird. It feels weird. You know how shit goes backwards? Hold on. Okay. I can actually start with that colour, which is Slice Me Open. I'm going to start with that one. Tap, tap. I don't know that. I'm going to actually get another mirror. Hold on. I don't know, that mirror's looking blurry for some reason. It's just looking blurry. This is my transition shade that I'm just going to blend in. Okay. So I'm just wiping off the colour because these are the only two brushes I'm going to be using, so I don't want to mix the colours up. Okay, so now just looking at, oh, ow, Orange Fatale caught my eye, this one. Very pigmented, and I wasn't tapping hard, so I'll go more in the crease now. I'm not much of a makeup guru, so, you know, I'm still learning at 42. I never really got into makeup much when I was in my 20s. Makeup 20 years ago wasn't how it's like now. There's so much more social media now that is where you can learn how to apply makeup properly and all that, you know. Okay, so just wiping that excess off. I just get the feeling it's not applying on real well. I don't know. I know it's not his formula. It's probably my brushes. That's why I want to get the Sigma brushes. Apparently they're really good brushes. I might go in, try and darken it a bit, maybe. Bit of that black, just a little bit. Maybe that was a bad choice. Do my little V's along here. Just concentrating on the outer V, like literally just this area and this area. It's not really looking the way I wanted it. I think I might go back over it with brown, try and soften it up a bit. I'll do that Scorpio looking colour. This one. So double crossed. And I'm just going over the brown, the black with the brown. Just in the outer V section. Yeah, it's looking better. What are you thinking? Is it looking better? Okay. Tried a very good brush. I really want to try Sigma brushes. Everyone's raging about them. I might try. What colour should I put? Go back to that orange one again. It's becoming more pigmented now, which is good. I'm liking that. And now I will go for a lighter colour. I think I'll go for like a yellowy. This, I was thinking here, vitamin C word. I'm just putting the colour on the bottom of the orange and halfway on the lid. Just tapping it across like that. And on the very bottom lid part, I will put the gold shimmer. Or maybe I should put the white there. I'll put the gold. The gold's not picking up. Very unusual. Try the other colour. I don't know, it's looking shit. Don't have the right lights. Don't have the right lights. Hold on. Should have used this in the first place. My ring light. I do have a ring light. There we go. Oh, much better now I can see. I think I'll just start on the other eye now. We'll do a whole new look on this one. I don't have any primer or, what do you call it, concealer, so the pigment's not going to grab on as good. So I'm doing a totally new look now. Put the orange first. Now I'm putting the burgundy right under it. Oh wow, look how pigmented that is. It's just coming up really. Whew. Blend it in a bit with the other side. The other product I'm still waiting for is a mascara, which is, can't wait. It's actually got a little whip on the mascara, would you believe? Go away. I think I'll put the orange just at the top here. So it looks like a little sunset look. And with the other side, the big brush, blend it. And we'll do the yellow. and also underneath the eye. I think I will go shower and clean myself up and do a proper tutorial. I smell horrible, and these brushes aren't very good because, yeah, but anyway, I will show you my shit look. So, yeah, it's not bad, considering my face is unwashed and stuff, but yeah.